Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to edit a PDF file free online. To start, head on over to adobe.com. Scroll down this time, then go to Online Tools, then select View All Tools. Once you're here, select Start Free Trial on the left corner. Then you will now be redirected to adobe.com's Edit a PDF. Select the button that says Select a File, and then select the PDF icon. In here, you can convert PDF files, add text, and save as. Now open the new file with MS Word, so that you add text and PDF file online for free. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.